All right, so what we got here, cooler tank, 45 gallons. So we're gonna unbox this thing, as they say, and let's see what it looks like. It seemed to be wrapped up pretty tight, that's for sure. Oh man, look at this. Oh, ho, 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 there it is. Packaged very well. So, if you don't know what this is, it's a bait tank. I fish a little bit. And I catch live bait, shad, and we put it in the tank. So this one is a chiller, and I've had a bunch of tanks. I've had super tanks, I've had blue water tanks, I've had a pile of tanks, I've had a lot of them. And I've never had a chiller. So this is supposed to be the tank of tanks, and we will see. It is roto molded, like a Yeti cooler. And we're fixing to get into it and see what it looks like here. So if you know anything about bait tanks, even the cheaper ones are very expensive. And this one was very expensive. Wow. That is like a bottom drain that catches the debris that falls in. Trash, twigs, little whatever. Filters. Power cord, the plugs, and they're gonna package up well, that's for sure. This is the pump side of it, the filter side, and the bait side. Shut it down, seal it up, and your bait water won't spill out of your tank. And supposedly it pressurizes it where it won't beat your bait to death, and that's a problem I have, a huge problem. This is my boat, 24-foot Sea Ark that's going to be going in. Libre como el viento. You know what that means? You know. And this is the tank. This is my old tank right here. This is a super bait tank. And you can see it's quite used, quite beat up. This is the boat. So I'm probably taking off of work tomorrow and giving it a try.